Hey everybody, it's Eric from Twisted Ink here to do a short little video today about pinning down and holding your products. As for usual, and for a lot of people with Glowforge, I printed out the pins, which worked very well, but they broke a lot, and as you can see here, that one's broke a little bit, and you deal with a little bit of char, but I asked Arnold's 3D printing to come up with some 3D printed pins for me, and I have to say they work incredibly well. So I'm going to do a little demonstration of those today and just show you how they fit in and how good they work. Okay, so we're going to show you 3 different kinds that they have. This is a black heavy-duty one that also works pretty much on everything, but tends to be a little bulkier. Which just is good for, especially if you have warp boards, it'll hold warp boards down very well. The blue and the red are for smaller things that don't really have warp. You just need to hold it, you just need them to hold down the piece, like for paper, fine leather, or any leather. It will hold some 1/8 inch board down, but you don't want to use that with really warp things because it can put a lot of stress on the Thomas ends. So for most stuff, we're going to use these, and I'm going to show you with this 1/8 inch piece of sublimation board I have. You can hear how warped it is, which tends to happen sometimes, especially if you cut other things and they sit around for a while. So with this, it's got the thicker prongs. So what it's going to do is it's going to split between 2 of the honeycomb patterns. So you just put it in like that. If I had 2 hands free, I would hold this like this, and then you just push down and it locks it. But now you can hear it over here. So we'll move over to the other side and do the same thing. We're going to split the honeycomb pattern. Now you can hear that it doesn't right here, but you still have a little bit in the back. So we're going to put one more back there. Honeycomb again. Now there's nothing. Lays nice and flat. You can always add another one, maybe a little loose over here. Now there's nothing. So now, those 4 pins, it holds it. They're very durable. They're a little tougher to get out, but they do come out. You just have to put a little effort. But that's a good thing, because you know it's not going to come out while you're printing. Just watch out for the little support bars to go through. I just hit one there, so you just have to move it. Don't force it into this. And there you go. It works great. I never haven't had any problems. And I'll put the link to Arnold's 3D printing in the video. Thank you.